You might have been told that eggs are one of the best ways to stay strong as you age. Maybe you even start your mornings with one, thinking it's a small but smart choice for your health. But here's the truth. If you're over 60 and relying on eggs to protect your legs, it might not be enough. I'm telling you this not to worry you, but to help you. Because leg strength isn't just about movement. It's about independence. Your ability to stand, walk confidently, climb stairs, or simply stay steady on your feet depends on something most people never think about: how your muscles respond to protein after 60. As we age, our muscles go through what researchers call anabolic resistance. That means your muscles stop responding to protein the way they used to. You could eat the same meal you had at 40, and it just won't build or protect muscle like before. And for many seniors, that silent shift leads to weakness, stiffness, and eventually, loss of mobility. But there's a powerful, natural fix that isn't getting the attention it deserves. Lentils. Yes, humble lentils, affordable, easy to find, but packed with exactly what your muscles need to fight aging. A cooked cup of lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein, but more importantly, it delivers leucine, an essential amino acid that flips the switch for muscle protein synthesis. That's the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue, and it's that very process that slows down in your 60s and beyond. Leucine helps reawaken your muscle response. Think of it as a wake-up call to your cells, telling them it's time to rebuild. But lentils go even further. They offer nutrients like folate, vitamin B9, and zinc, which are crucial for tissue repair and recovery after activity, even light movement like gardening or walking the dog. When these nutrients are present, your body doesn't just get by. It actively heals and strengthens itself. And for your joints, lentils contain plant compounds called polyphenols and saponins that help lower inflammation. If you've got aching knees or stiff hips, that chronic inflammation could be making it worse. These compounds help keep things moving. Literally. When joints are less inflamed, they move more freely. And when they move better, your muscles can engage more fully. That's a cycle of strength you want working in your favor. Lentils are also incredibly easy to use. Unlike other beans that may need soaking overnight, lentils cook in just 20 to 25 minutes on the stovetop. Red lentils cook even faster, around 15 minutes. You can make a big batch on the weekend, store it in the fridge, and add to soups, salads, grain bowls, or just serve warm with olive oil and herbs. To get the most out of them, try pairing lentils with whole grains, like brown rice or quinoa. This gives your body a full range of amino acids. And if you toss in a veggie rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers or tomatoes, you'll boost the iron absorption from lentils, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles when you move. Here's one more tip. Timing matters. Your muscles are most receptive to nutrients in the few hours after activity, even just a walk. That's the perfect time to fuel your body with something like lentils. You're giving your muscles exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. Start small, maybe half a cup, and work your way up. 2 to 3 times a week is enough to start making a difference you can feel. Over time, this simple change becomes a habit, one that supports strength, mobility, and daily confidence. Because here's the real truth: your legs are more than just limbs. They are your foundation, your balance, your freedom. And protecting them doesn't require fancy supplements or expensive plans. Sometimes it just starts with what's already in your pantry. Let me begin by saying that the health of your legs isn't just about muscle strength or joint flexibility. It's the very foundation of your freedom. The ability to live fully, walk with your grandchildren, enjoy your favorite activities, and face each new day without fear. But as the years pass, no matter how much we try, our bodies start sending signals: aches in the knees, muscle fatigue, stiffness in the mornings. Too often, we just blame it on age. The truth is, so much depends on what we put on our plates every single day. And right here, in our food choices, lies an incredible opportunity for change. Let me share how natural foods can become your strongest allies in this fight. Take soy, for example. It's not just some protein or a trendy ingredient. It's a true gift from nature, used for centuries to strengthen health. Soy contains compounds that help reduce inflammation. And you know, inflammation is what gradually wears down your joints and brings that pain. What's even better is that these compounds work gently but effectively, restoring balance in your body and helping to maintain strong bones. This becomes especially crucial as the years begin to affect your mobility. But here's a key point. Not all soy products are created equal. Your body benefits most from natural, minimally processed soy, like fresh green soybeans, known as edamame, or fermented options such as tempeh. These foods hold the full power of nature, providing a complete set of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that are easily absorbed and start working almost immediately. Fermentation unlocks even more benefits, making soy as nutritious as possible. On the other hand, ultra-processed soy protein products often lack these advantages, and eating them regularly won't deliver the same powerful effects. What does this look like in real life? Imagine a simple, tasty snack, a cup of lightly salted edamame with your favorite spices. It's not just delicious, it's an effective support system for your muscles and joints. Or toss some tempeh into a vegetable stew, giving your body a steady dose of protein and antioxidants. The secret is to include soy regularly, but in sensible amounts, 2 to 3 times a week, so your body can absorb the benefits without overload. Here's another important detail. Timing matters. After leg exercises, whether a walk or some light stretching, your body is craving recovery nutrients. If you supply high-quality protein from whole soy foods within 2 hours of activity, you help your muscles recover faster and grow stronger, more resilient to the demands you place on them. Think of it like filling a car with premium fuel. The engine runs smoother and lasts longer. Now, let's talk about another powerful support for your legs: black beans. These small but mighty beans pack a complex array of nutrients that help protect your muscles and joints from damage and inflammation. They contain enough protein to help constantly renew muscle tissue, which is just as important as your workouts. Protein is the building block. Without it, strength and endurance can't be maintained. The antioxidants in black beans, especially anthocyanins, give them their rich dark color and act as warriors against free radicals, the very agents that accelerate tissue aging and inflammation. As we age, our bodies need extra protection from these molecules, and black beans are one of the easiest and most effective ways to provide it. Magnesium plays a vital role too. It helps muscles relax and respond properly to nerve signals. If you've noticed your legs tighten up in the mornings or after sitting for a long time, magnesium deficiency might be to blame. Including black beans regularly in your diet can reduce these unpleasant sensations and boost your mobility. Let's not forget potassium, another mineral working alongside magnesium to keep your muscles from cramping and tiring too quickly. Iron, also abundant in these beans, improves oxygen delivery to muscles, an especially important factor for older adults whose metabolism naturally slows down. How do you prepare these beans to maximize their benefits? If using dried black beans, soak them overnight. This cuts cooking time and improves digestion. When boiling, add a strip of kombu seaweed. This helps your body absorb minerals better and makes the beans easier on your stomach. If you opt for canned beans, be sure to rinse them under cold water to reduce excess sodium. Add black beans to salads, soups, stews, or simply pair them with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or tomatoes. This combination boosts iron absorption and ensures you get the most out of every bite. Supporting your legs isn't just about regular exercise. It's about daily, mindful nutrition. By combining natural soy and black beans in your meals, you build a solid foundation for muscle and joint health, preserving your freedom of movement, lightness, and energy. I'm sharing this not just as a professional, but as someone who deeply cares about your comfort and quality of life. Your legs are your support, and today is the perfect day to take a step towards strengthening and nurturing them with the most valuable gift of all: care and proper nutrition. Believe me, everything you need to walk through life with confidence and joy in every step is already in your hands. Just allow yourself to embrace this knowledge and give your legs the support they truly deserve.